ladies and gentlemen, I want to do some warm water to cure a fluid. Watch me now. This is onions. Slide these onions into the bowl. Slice it to pieces. Watch me as I do it. Slide the entire onions here. Yeah. Watch me as I do it. Okay. So I finished with the slicing of the onions now. I start with lemon. By the time I finish it, I'm gonna chew it and drink it to cure the flu. The important of this is that it can clean your system completely. You can trace any bacteria in your system, trace any antibacterial, energize you. I'm not gonna drink only the liquid. I've already boiled the hot water, so then watch me as I pour the hot water inside this thing now. It's gonna be hot. So I bring the hot water now. In a moment. So here is the hot water, so I'm pouring it now. Wash. This is the hot water completely. But this hot water is not enough. Let me see. I'm gonna add more later, but not now. So one more thing I need to do is to put lemon. I'm gonna put this lemon inside it. Maybe a spoon. So one spoon of honey. I don't take too much. Some people take a lot, but not me. I don't like too much sugary. So that is it for now. I stir it. I stir. It's already stirred.